welcome to Hermann Park Railroad, a Houston family favorite for over 50 years. It's our pleasure to have you on board today. The railroad is operated by Hermann Park Conservancy, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the improvement and maintenance of Hermann Park. We will return here to Kinder Station in about 18 minutes. Please remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times.
That's reasonable.
Together, we will explore beautiful Hermann Park as we ride along the railroad's winding 2-mile track. First up, we'll pass through the lake picnic area, complete with picnic tables, grills, and a swing.